They left me here alone, yo. Customer service apocalypse. Let's get it. Get it. Used to be a department, now I'm a department of one. They digitized my co-workers, said the future had begun. Left me as the fallback when the system can't compute. When the boss says something stupid, I'm the one who takes the shoot. Phone tree got them twisted, 40 minutes deep in menus. They just tryna reach a human, but the options never send them through. Meanwhile, I'm over here watching my queue multiply. I'm the last one standing when the boss can't answer. They automated everything but kept me for disaster. When the system crashes, when the code can't handle pressure, I'm the human mopper crew, that's my professional measure. Check it, I log in every morning to a ghost town office. Empty desk collecting dust, man, this job is lawless. Chatbot told the customer we ship it out for free.
Thank you for
now
calling
I gotta
customer
walk
service.
it back,
How can I help you
explain liability. Corporate quarterly earnings looking astronomical. While I'm explaining why the AI's response was illogical. They cut the staff, kept the metrics, said improve your scores. How I'm supposed to do that when I'm fighting AI wars? And here's a part that really messes with my head at night. Every conversation that I had, they digitize it right. Feed it to the learning model, teaching in my cadence. In a year, maybe two, I'll be facing my replacement. They paying me to train the thing that's gonna take my check, while I smile through the phone and keep the customers in check. So I answer and I listen and I try to make it right. Knowing that tomorrow I might not survive the fight against efficiency, against the quarterly report, against a CEO who sees humans as a last resort. Damn, manager sent a memo. Empathy's our edge, but empathy don't pay the rent. When I'm standing on the ledge of unemployment, automation, call it what you want. I'm the last line in this corporate hunt. I'm the last one standing when the bots can't answer. They automated everything but kept me for disaster. When the system crashes, when the code can't handle pressure, and a human mopper crew, that's my professional measure. So next time you call and you finally reach a person, remember they're the last one and the future's getting worse, and I'm the last one for now.